Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Keegan's Kitchen. And for today's recipe, I'll be making a super easy oven roasted whole chicken recipe. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're just gonna start off by butterflying my chicken. Alright, flip it over, and we're just gonna cut between the backbone. So we're just gonna cut right here and here. So you're basically just removing the backbone from the chicken. If you have some type of scissors, kitchen shear at home, that's perfectly fine. You can use that as well, but I'll be using a knife. And just be careful not to cut your fingers. Alright, so that's it. Remove the backbone. So basically, butterflying your chicken will allow your chicken to cook at a faster pace, cook more evenly, and it's going to be directly facing the heat on a flat surface. So that's going to give your chicken a nice little crust. You know, it's going to be more flavorful, golden brown skin. It's going to be delicious. It's time to add some cayenne pepper, ground ginger. I'm not going to add too much. I'm also going to add some adobo all-purpose seasoning. I'm just going to add this as my substitution for salt, you know, since it already has salt in it. Chili powder, some crushed red pepper, onion powder, a little bit of cumin, parsley flakes, a little bit of paprika, and finally just a tad of cinnamon powder. Almost forgot to add my black pepper, and that's it. You just want to mix this together real quick, and then we're going to add a little drizzle of oil to the chicken, and then we'll add our seasoning afterwards. And I'm also going to tuck my chicken wings just to make it look a little bit prettier. Okay guys, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Until next time, stay blessed. Chicken is nice and juicy, guys. Look at that. Yummy. Woo. It's so good.